Vegetable store. This is fish mint. Can you smell it? It's so fishy, right? We use it to make mixed vegetables. I know foreigners don't like this smell, right? So you should be careful when you eat noodles in Vietnam because Vietnamese people often use it to serve with noodle. This is taro. When you peel the skin, you should wear the gloves because it's so itchy. And this one is the main ingredient we use to cook curry. Or we can use it to cook soup, a sweet soup for dessert. We especially use it to make ice cream. It's so great. This is morning glory, or water spinach. Do you know why we call it morning glory? Because the flowers are like the glory flower, and they just blossom in the morning. We often use it to cook soup or boil it or saute it with garlic. It's very popular in the meals of Vietnamese. Banana flower. These are slices of banana flower. We peel the skin, slice it into thin slices, and make salad with chopped nuts and dried beef with some herbs. Eggplant. And this one is eggplant. We use it to make clay pot eggplant or fry it with soya sauce or fish sauce. At our restaurant, we have a dish with eggplant and tofu. Bamboo shoots. You see, those are bamboo shoots. We boil them and soak it in salt water. We shred them in only one direction along the grain. We make soup or cook them with meat. Bitter melon. Can you guess what it is? Let guests a few seconds to guess. They usually guess cucumber or melon. It is bitter melon. It is really bitter, so we call it bitter melon. You see, there are a lot of teeth on the bitter melon. We usually prepare it by cutting it into slices, then cook and stir it with egg. Or we cut it into pieces and stuff with ground meat and mushroom to make soup. It is really delicious. However, it is quite bitter, and a lot of people do not like to eat it. This is green papaya. When it is green, we often make salads. When it is ripe, we often eat it alone or make smoothies. Momordica, baby jackfruit. It has a lot of black seeds inside. When you cook it with sticky rice, it gives a beautiful natural red color and good smell. It is really popular near Tet holiday. We also use this kind of sticky rice for worship. Local chilies. The red chili is very hot. We often make chili sauces with these chilies. Vietnamese bitter. Pandan leaves, la dua, are used in Vietnamese cooking for their sweet, vanilla-like aroma. They add flavor and a bright green color to cakes, drinks, and desserts. Pandan is also used as a natural air freshener. You'll find it in many traditional Vietnamese sweets. La mo, Paella fetida leaves. La mo is often eaten with grilled meats or mixed into dishes. It has a strong smell and slightly bitter taste, but it is believed to help digestion. Many Vietnamese people use it in herbal medicine. Vietnamese perilla, also known as Vietnamese shiso, is a common peppery herb, can be eaten raw, used to wrap around meat, or as a garnish for various dishes. Vietnamese cassava is a funny plant. It looks like a big stick. We love to eat it in many ways. Sometimes we boil it and it tastes like a soft potato. Other times we make it into various dishes. such as steamed cassava, cassava pudding, and grilled cassava cake. Various mushrooms. In Vietnam, there are many kinds of mushrooms. First, we have wood ear mushrooms, Nam Mok Ni, Nam Meo. They look like funny little ears and often grow on damp, rotten wood. These mushrooms are popular in many Vietnamese dishes, especially in soups and stir-fries. Next, there's the straw mushrooms, Nam Rum. They love to play hide-and-seek in rice fields. This type of mushroom contains many nutrients and can be added to daily meals. When cooked, they soften and have a sweeter flavor. Don't forget enoki mushrooms, Nam Kim Chi, also known as golden needle mushrooms, are white mushrooms that grow in clusters, look like a bunch of thin beans. They have a sweet and crisp taste and are full of protein, fiber, and vitamins, making them beneficial for the body.